Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do a couple of examples involving functions with trig functions, and then we're going to just use the rules that we've learned up to this point. Okay, now that we know how to take the derivative of sine and cosine, let's use it. So notice here we have a product, right? So we're going to apply the product rule. The 5, you can actually, again, there's different ways of handling this, but you can pull the 5 out because the 5 is a constant, it's just a coefficient, it's going to just stay there, okay? Or you can make it part of this factor here. It doesn't matter, okay? So let's find the derivative by using the product rule. And so we're going to take, it's going to be the first times the derivative of the second. Okay? And again, it really doesn't matter which one you do. If you do the derivative of the first times the second, it's a plus, so it's going to be the same because of the commutative property. Okay, so let's take the first times the derivative of the second, which is what? Derivative of sine is cosine. Okay, plus the derivative of the first times the second, which is going to give us 15x squared times sine x. Okay, and that's it. So we don't even need these parentheses here. So that's the final answer. There's nothing else we can do to simplify it. And so that's the way we would leave it. Okay, now let's do the next one. Now the next one, I'm going to use the quotient rule, but you could split this up into a product, right? So I could write this as cosine x times 1/4 x to the negative second, right? But I won't. I'm going to do the quotient rule for good practice, right? So g prime of x equals, okay, what's the quotient rule? It's low d high minus high d low over low squared. So low d high, well, the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so I'm going to put the negative there, negative sine x, okay, minus high d low, cosine x times the derivative of this. So since I don't, commutative property is fine, so what I'm going to do is take the derivative, so that's going to be 8x cosine x over 4x squared quantity squared. Okay, now, at this point, I have a 4x squared here and an 8x. I can factor out a 4x from the top. So let's do that. In fact, I'm going to factor out a negative 4x. So negative 4x is going to give me x sine x minus 2, plus cosine x over 4x let's get that. 4x Yeah, let me rewrite this. So this is like 4x squared to squared, but let me split this up, because this is like 4x squared, right? Times 4x squared. But then this is 4x times x, right? Times 4x times x. And I got a 4x here. I can cancel the 4x here with this 4x. And so that leaves me with 4x cubed, right? So we can write this as x sine x plus 2 cosine x negative over what? 4x cubed. And that's it. Can't do any more. Have a great day.